Hello guys, so in today's video we'll discuss about assignment question and answers of session 1. So when you click on the assignment tab after completing the session 1 recording, you'll get this interface. So here is the first question which you need to solve. So which three specific hazards of LLMs are mentioned in critical to understand? So in the video, in the recording session, we have heard this word. That is second option. So click that and click on submit. So now come back. So we have answered it correctly. Now let's go for the another question. Just come back and click on solve here. So this is the second question. The question is, you're building a chatbot that must answer 30,000 simple customer queries per hour. What should you use? So for calculating the simple queries, we have already saw that we can use this Gemini Flash, which will generate simple questions. So it is the correct answer. Now go back, solve the third question, click on solve. So the third Gemini invents a lifetime warranty that doesn't exist while writing FAQs. What should you do next? So when it's not able to produce the output which we expect, so what we can do is we can provide more context or constraint about a lot information. So the correct answer. So go to the next question, click on solve. The fourth question is, the AI keeps marking the following user feedback. UI feels heavy as neutral. So the answer is few sort, because one sort means you provide one example. Few sort means you provide multiple examples, 2 to 5 samples. No short means not a technical technique, means giving no instruction or examples. So the answer will be few short. Come back. The fifth question is Gemini instructions. So it is medium level question. So click on the solve. So the question is, you need Gemini to follow a specific structure, bold heading, 2 to 3 sentence explanation, 3 bullet points. Which PTCF element ensures this output discipline? So the answer will be format, because in persona, you specify a specific character, like you're a technical founder or you're a scientist, or that like you'll mention. In task, you assign a task. In content, you tell the content, and in the format you describe, like I want in particular lines, in bullet points or something. So that is about format. And next one, the sixth question, last but not the least, about PTCF improvement. So the question is, which improvement correctly applies the PTCF framework to a weak marketing prompt? So for a weak prompt, what do we need to add? So out of the 4 options, there were only single line, but you can observe the second one, it is having clear persona and format of it. So second one would be the answer. So that is about session 1 assignment question and answers. And when you come to the home page, you can observe that 27 November has completed. We have completed the session, and you can check the attendance and problem solving percentage here. So thank you. See you. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do check out my videos, because I post the videos related to tech updates, job updates, internship updates, and free courses.